Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. According to the direction and decision of Education Ministry, Government of Bangladesh, and sincere cooperation of our Honorable Principal Sir, Jitka Khazar Ahmedullah Degree College has started online class activities. And today I have appeared before you with a topic. It is Introduction to Drama. Today I am going to talk to you about As You Like It by William Shakespeare. First, before discussion, I want to introduce you with the characters of the drama. Actually, it is comedy, romantic comedy. It is also called pastoral comedy. And first, I want to introduce you with the characters so that you can understand the characters and the relations between the characters. And I think it will help you to understand the comedy well. I have divided the characters in several parts so that you can understand it easily. First, I want to go to the characters in the court of Duke Frederick. Duke Frederick is now in power. He is a duke of a dukedom, Duke Frederick, and then his daughter's name is Celia. Celia is his daughter. First, I want to give you some information. Duke Senior is Duke Frederick's eldest brother. Duke Frederick is usurper. He has banished Duke Senior from the court and has taken the power. Celia is the daughter of Duke Frederick, and Rosalind is Duke Senior's daughter. I have told you Duke Senior and Duke Frederick and Duke Senior are two brothers, and Celia and Rosalind are cousins. Celia is Duke Frederick's daughter and Rosalind is Duke Senior's daughter. Here, Duke Frederick, Celia and Rosalind. Then Tuston. Tuston is one kind of joker. His duty is to make the Duke happy by telling story or different kinds of activities. Tuston actually like Gopal Bhatt. Tuston is like Gopal Bhatt. His duty is to make the Duke happy. You may know the meaning of Tuston. Tuston means Porosh Pathor. Then Liviu. Liviu is a courtier. In a dukedom, in the court of Duke, there are some members, and Liviu is one of them. Then Saus. Saus is a wrestler. In the comedy, you will find wrestling. Sometimes you enjoy wrestling in television like that. Saus is a wrestler in the court, and then Lord and ladies. There are another members in the court of in the Duke's court, and there are others lords and ladies. They are member of Duke's court. Dear students, I want to go back. Duke Frederick is present Duke, and Celia is Duke Frederick's daughter. And then Rosalind. Actually, Rosalind is the heroine of this comedy, and she is daughter of Duke Senior. I have told you Duke Frederick and Duke Senior are two brothers, and Duke Senior is banished by Duke Frederick, and now he is living in the Forest of Arden. I will introduce you with Forest of Arden and the characters. Tuston is joker, Liviu is a courtier, Saus wrestler, lord and ladies, the members in Duke's court. So the characters in Duke's Frederick court are there. Then let us come to another part. Characters in some other Roland the Boys family. There is another family in the comedy, and Sir Roland the Boys. He is the he is the father of Orlando, the hero of this comedy. Now he is no more, but he has three sons. Oliver the Boys, he is the eldest boy of three brothers, and now he is the controller of the property of Roland the Boys property. Jacques the Boys, Jacques the Boys is the second son of Roland the Boys, and Orlando the Boys is the youngest son of Roland the Boys, and Orlando is the hero. I want to give you another information. Rosalind and Orlando, they are lovers. Adam is a servant of Orlando in Roland the Boys family, and Dennis is another servant of Oliver the Boys. Dear students, please listen to me carefully. Oliver the Boys is the eldest brother of Orlando. Jacques the Boys is the second son. And Orlando the Boys is the youngest son of Roland the Boys. Adam is servant and Dennis also servant. Adam is Orlando's servant and Dennis is Oliver's servant. So dear students, characters in James Court and characters in Roland the Boys then come to the exile code of Duke Senior. Few minutes ago I have told you Duke Senior is Duke Frederick's eldest brother, elder brother. Now he is living in the first order. Duke Senior, before Duke Frederick, he was the Duke of the court. Duke Senior is Rosalind's father. Jacques, he is a melancholic lord. One time he is in absent-minded. He is always in the boredom. Amelis, he is attending lord and musician in the Duke's followed. Lords in Duke Senior, in Duke Senior's followers. Lord, there are another members. They are follower of Duke Senior. When Duke Senior was banished from the court, then some people went with Duke Senior, and there are Lord and ladies. Dear students, then you will find another people in the forest of Orden. They are country folk in the forest of Orden. Phoebe is a shepherd, and she is proud. She is very proud about herself. Sylvius is also a shepherd, and Sylvius loves Phoebe, and they are in love. Audrey, a country girl, they are living in the forest of Orden. Corinne is one of the elder shepherds. Then we will find William, a countryman, and Sir Oliver Mortis. Sir Oliver Mortis is an assistant of country sirs. Sir Oliver Mortis is an assistant of the priest in the country sirs. Dear students, I want to go back so that you can understand the characters easily. Duke Frederick, now he is in power, and his daughter is Celia. And Duke Frederick's elder brother is Duke Senior. He is banished by Duke Frederick and now living in the first order. Duke Senior's daughter is Rosalind. Dear students, you will be glad to know that there are minimum 4 couples and they are in love at first sight. Rosalind and Orlando, these characters are in love in that comedy. So dear students, I hope the characters and the relation between the characters will help you to understand the story. In the next class, I will try to talk to you to tell you the main story, and I think you will be able to understand it clearly. At last, I have a request. You know, it is the beginning of winter, and the experts predicted that, have suggested that coronavirus may increase in the winter season, and that is why we should be careful. Please maintain minimum distance so that you can be safe from coronavirus, and save your family, save yourself, and use mask so that you can protect yourself from coronavirus. Inshallah, I shall try to meet you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.